Once you have an internet-enabled phone or any devices, spending money on data is quite inevitable. But while spending money on data, it's also important for you to compare your income and the money you're making out from the data. And that's the reason why most people are actually sourcing or looking for cheap or affordable means of buying data from their internet network subscriber. So in this video, I'll be sharing with you how you can actually buy cheap data every Tuesday on MTN Nigeria network. And for example, if you're using MTN Nigeria, then this video is just for you. But if you're not using them, then you should actually buy a SIM if you choose to. I know I've put up a series of video talking about how to buy affordable data on MTN and Airtel, and most people will think that it's just the normal means whereby you dial the *121 button. But let's test and see the data you find while dialing *121 before I will actually move or share with you how you can buy the cheap one I want to talk about in this video. So let's first of all dial the normal method *121 hash, and you choose MTN. So as you can see now, let's see the two affordable ones that are available on this plan, on this USSD code. The first one is enjoy 2 GB for 500 naira, and that's quite high on the high side compared to the one I want to share with you in this video. Now let's go back and see the second one that is available. So now let's choose data for me, the second option. As you can see, they have two affordable or cheap data here. The first one is enjoy 1.125 GB for 500 naira, and the second one is enjoy 1.5 GB for 300 naira. These two are actually on the high side, and this is not what I'm talking about. So the one I'm talking about, or the one I want to share with you in this video, is actually coming from the myMTN app, which simply means you have to download the myMTN app from the Google Play Store, the Apple Store, depending on the device you're using. So this is my MTN app right here. So all I have to do is to tap on it, and it's loading at the moment. I remember, like I said, this offer is only available every Tuesday, and I'm actually shooting this video on Tuesday, and I will subscribe for a particular plan, and let's see how it works, if it's actually working. The app is still trying to load. Okay, he's up already. So now this is the app. As you can see, this is my app. I just opened my MTN app, and let's first of all check my ATM balance. Okay, I have up to more than 500 naira, and the plan I would like to choose, there are two options. So now, to locate or to find a place whereby you can see that cheap affordable data once you've downloaded the MyMTN app, you hit this yellow circle bar button that has cross in the middle. Just tap on it, and you now see a pop-up will come up. So the first one you click is the offers button. So you tap on offers, and as you can see, the mega deal zone, but that's not the one I'm looking at. So now let's see for the Tuesday Awoof. As you can see, you have three available offers, but I'm actually trying to pick the one for Tuesday. It says Tuesday Awoof. As you can see now, let's see, they have two options there, but I normally like going for the bigger one that costs 500 naira. But let's see the first one. All you have to do, once you tap that box, you have to like scratch this. You can do this by just rubbing on your screen. The first plan that is available here is 1 GB. That's 100 MB data plus 900 MB bonus for 100 naira, and it will last for 1 day. I don't want to go for this option. Now let's see the second one that is available on the Tuesday Awoof plan, and just like the first step, we'll scratch it. And yes, this is one I'm actually looking for, 5 GB data plan, which gives you 2.5 GB data plus 2.5 GB bonus for 500 naira, and to last for just 2 days. This plan is actually useful if you want to like download maybe a large file from the internet and you want to spend minimum amount doing that. So now, like I said, I have 500 naira in my airtime balance. So all I have to do is to click on buy now. So now take me to this option. Let's see, proceed to pay. Everything is okay. Proceed to pay. Pay with airtime or pay with Momo, PSB, or pay with your bank. You can actually choose whatsoever option that suits you. But I have 500 naira already in my balance. So all I have to do is to do pay with airtime option. And yes, pay 500 naira. As you can see, thank you. Your recent purchase with us was successful and fulfilled, and they've actually sent me an SMS bonus to confirm yes that the transaction was successful. So all I have to do okay, let's click okay. Another SMS is actually popping up to confirm the transaction, the activation actually. or go to the SMS. But for that, let's see, it has load, and you can see this is my data buy bundle option. It's actually showing 2.5 gigabyte data balance, and also the bonus of 2.5 gigabytes. So you can see, like I said, this plan or this offer is only available on Tuesday, which means I just bought a whooping 5 gigabyte data for 500 naira. So I can use that to download whatever I want to download on the internet. Then I'm good to go for this Tuesday. And like I said, it's a 2 days plan, which means it will actually expire on Thursday of this week. So get set once you have your myMTN app. Always have sufficient amount of airtime on your app, or if you simply want to use it through or make the purchase through your bank card, you can actually choose that option as well. So once you're good to go, every Tuesday you buy such a plan, you can actually choose the 100 naira for 1 gigabyte option or the 500 naira for 5 gigabyte option. So with that, at least I've taught you one or two things and you've learned that. So we've come to the end of this video. So if you consider being part of this channel, you can simply hit the subscribe button, turn on the bell notifications, that get notified whenever I put up similar informative video just like this. So with that, we've come to the end of this video. Like I said, or let me introduce myself. Chibuzago is my name. I'm blogging for tech is the name of this channel. So we'll see you in my next video. Bye bye for now.